In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Passat key fob. This is an easy process. You can do it yourself at home and it'll just take you a couple of minutes. All you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR1632 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around or you're not sure where to get one, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now, getting right into it, all we want to do is flip this over, find that space on the back, insert your flathead screwdriver in there, and give it a twist. Just a little bit of a twist until it starts to open, and then you can just pull it apart. Wiggle it apart with your fingers. There we go. You can set this part to the side for now. We're just going to work over here, taking the same flathead screwdriver, insert it in this opening, in that space where the key just was. If you can, kind of hold on the bottom part and just pry up a little bit. Just prying in there to push these two pieces apart. And if your battery's kind of falling out, don't worry. Some of you might be replacing two CR1620 batteries. Mine has one CR1632. Doesn't really matter. All you want to do from here is extract your batteries or battery, and we will be putting in a new 1632. So just grab your new 1632 and make sure that the positive side is facing down. And you'll just set that into place just like that. And if you did want to use two 1620 batteries, you do the same exact thing. You put one in there and then you put the other one right on top of the other battery, also positive side down. From here, you can just put this back together. Oops. So line this up and squeeze. There we go. And now we can just slide this on there. So start to push it down, and then you're going to want to snap it into place nice and securely. Fold your key back in there. And with that, you have a new battery in there, and you should be good to go for a long time with this key fob. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, feel free to give us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.